Abu bia no dimpa. And now it's a very good moment of truth, moment of life. And God touched him. God does not show his presence in any other way. He didn't discuss with me. He didn't consult either you nor any other person. But you can just know that one with God is majority, they say. And he just make it a duty. Before I sing a song, because he was right when he said, give it to God. Because that's the only thing you can do loud, very loud. And but before I say that, it's my, how do I say it? I'm so happy being in your midst. I've been going to places, like he rightly said, this is the second time of coming to work for him. The last time was so enjoyable, showing where he comes from. The mother gave me one easy plantain. It's not easy. I say if I forget everything in life, I will never forget that. I keep remembering Mama. That is the heart, and that is what you are. It's not when you begin to amass well. So while this preaching as God talking to you directly, because I never expected it. If you do not have anything, just pray for me in your heart. It's okay. I'm still working hard. I'm not a beggar. So, but if you want to bring out something, tell me about it. It will boomerang. Because it goes round that turns round. I'm not laying a course anyway. Open 7 doors or prayer into a Okamakanare. So, but more how God directed all those things to him. On our boy on our top, on our top. When a prayer answered. So now, you will hear no faith